Stuck at lower band in IELTS Writing Task 2, want to achieve band 8, but do not know the exact method and structure to achieve your desired band score? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to share how to plan your Writing Task 2 essay with step-by-step guidance. Hello everyone, this is Yesha, your IELTS expert from IELTSMaterial.com, helping you to prepare for IELTS, write correct answers, and get higher band score in your IELTS test. For more IELTS content, please hit the subscribe button and turn the bell icon for free IELTS preparation. Now let's discuss the method to plan and write an essay. Now let's discuss the 4 steps to plan your essay. The first step is analyze and plan. In this step, the main idea is to analyze the question, to analyze the clear question, which type of essay is asked. There are 5 types of essays in Writing Task 2. So analyze which type of essay is asked and how to prepare the structure. Follow the method of mind mapping. Mind mapping involves making notes about which ideas you are going to present in your essay in each paragraph. Decide how many paragraphs you are going to write and how many ideas you're going to present. This is actually called as a rough draft. A rough draft which has many bulleted points, and these bulleted points are none other than phrases and ideas to make your own sentences and develop it in the form of paragraphs. Take 5 minutes to complete this step. From the overall 40 minutes, you're going to allot 5 minutes for analyzing and planning your essay. In this manner, you can clearly assess how you are going to present your essay in terms of vocabulary, grammar, and also in terms of structuring the ideas. The second step is to follow the structure. In this method, you are actually going to follow the structure according to the IELTS essays. Here, let's take an example. We are going to consider the example of advantages and disadvantages essay where we can write 4 paragraphs. The paragraph 1, which should be the introduction, and the introduction consists of 3 to 4 sentences. In this 3 to 4 sentences, we are not going to present the opinion if it is not asked, and we will present the opinion if it is asked. That is why if the opinion is not asked, then we'll be writing 3 sentences. And if the opinion is asked, then we will write 4 sentences. Paragraph 2, that is the main body paragraph 1, is going to talk about only the advantages. It's supporting details, that is a supporting statements, and an example. Giving the example will actually give you higher band score because you're trying to justify your answer, and this can be done only when you exemplify. The same procedure can be followed for the paragraph 3, that is main body paragraph 2. In this, you have to make sure that you write about the disadvantages and you present the supporting statements with an example. The last paragraph is going to be the conclusion, where you should present 1 to 2 sentences and not more than that, which should be rephrasing the key features or summarizing the key features. Nothing else, no new point to be added in the conclusion, as it does not say that you're completing the essay. So to complete the essay with the appropriate structure, it is always mandatory that you rephrase or summarize the main key features by not adding any new point. If you want to improve your writing skills, then click on the I button to check out our video on improve IELTS writing skills. Our third step is Structure the criteria in your mind and write. To do this, you need 30 minutes to execute the plan. That is, you have already made the notes, you have already collected the ideas, you have taken it in the form of bulleted points, and now it is the time that you take exact 30 minutes to write your essay. While writing the essay, you have to make sure that you follow the mind mapping ideas, because during the mind mapping process, you have structured your ideas in a way by taking the topic sentence, by presenting the supporting statements, and also taking up the example right after your supporting details. Next is, be very careful while you're writing, because while writing, you have to make sure that you write correct grammar and effective vocabulary as well. Next is, present a clear handwriting which gives the first impression. When you write in a very good manner, the examiner will definitely consider it as a positive one, because a right handwriting shows a mature handwriting. And that is why it also gives an idea that you're going to present a very mature essay. The last step is checking your answer or check your work. In this, we need 5 minutes so that we can proofread our answer. It is very important for any answer to be proofread to understand that the essay is presenting correct grammar, the essay is also avoiding the repetition of vocabulary, and hence in this 5 minutes, we can erase or replace any word that has been repeated many times. This is called as checking the work, that is checking for correct grammar, also checking for incorrect spellings if by mistake we have presented it, and also making sure that we erase and replace the words that have been repeated many times. Follow the instructions to complete an essay, and definitely you will be able to achieve band 8 with simple language, but writing it effectively following the structure. I hope this plan will help you in writing a clear answer for writing task 2. If you think this method has proved to be effective, then please let us know about the same in the comment section below. For more free IELTS learning, please follow our channel. And for this video, like, share, and subscribe our channel and stay updated with IELTS examination updates. Thank you so much.